We here at D&M Roofing and Siding, we really care about your home. We know that we're not the only choice when it comes to your roofing and siding needs, and we'd really like you to let us know if there's anything that we can do to help you in this process. Now we're going to talk about the 5 steps of what to do after you think your home may have been affected by a wind or hail event. So step 1, if you don't have one, get a referral from someone. Have your contractor come out to do a thorough inspection of your roof, siding, windows, gutters, and any other items that might have been affected by the storm. They should provide you with pictures to show you the damage so you understand what it is. If you have damage, call your insurance agent or the 800 number with your carrier to file the claim. If you don't have damage, you just saved yourself a call to the carrier and the inconvenience of filing a claim. Okay, step 2, don't do this alone. Your contractor is an expert in the field of storm damage, or at least they should be. Remember, the adjuster has been hired by the insurance company. They are there to inspect for damage, but they were not hired by you. Therefore, you need to make sure you have someone there to make sure all the damage is documented and pointed out. It is very hard to get the adjuster to come back to document items missed the first time. Once all this damage has been documented, the adjuster will write their estimate. 9 times out of 10, this report will be missing line items. It's in your best interest to share this scope of loss with your contractor and have them supplement by writing their own estimate and submitting this to the carrier as your contractor on file. Your contractor will get proper line items approved so you can get started right away. We're on to step 3. Now, these are the 3 most important terms that you need to know and understand when reading an insurance scope. The first one is RCV. RCV stands for Replacement Cost Value. This is what it will cost to replace all the items damaged that are on your scope of work. ACV stands for Actual Cash Value. This is the value of your claim after the depreciation has been taken out. This is the amount you'll receive on your first check minus your deductible. Now, deductible. The deductible is the amount you agreed to pay whenever you file a claim on your property. You agreed to this when you signed your contract with your carrier. It is not the contractor's responsibility to pay your deductible. The only way to have someone else pay your deductible includes sending fraudulent invoices to the insurance carrier. This is not something any reputable contractor should engage in. If you have someone offering to pay your deductible, you should be concerned about their values and rethink who you are working with. Now we're at step 4. This is the fun and dirty part. So now you get to pick out any new colors or upgrades in roof styles. Make sure that your contractor gives you more than one option or type of roof covering to install. Make sure to ask for any industry qualifications, certificates, trade licenses, and insurance. Remember, this is a construction site. There will be dirt, debris, and nails. If you see something wrong, bring it up. Don't assume anyone else will. It's your house. You know it better than anyone. You will be happy and thankful that you did so that they can handle any situation as it comes rather than after the fact. All right, last step. The roof is done. The contractor has sent in your certificate of completion and the carrier has released your depreciation and supplements. Now, it's time to pay your contractor. Make sure if you have any punch list items, you bring them up as soon as possible. All reputable contractors understand many jobs have minor punch list items that need touched up. Let them know as soon as possible so the contractor can take care of those items ASAP. Please make sure to give your contractor a Google review for their hard work. And if they messed up on something, let them know and give them the opportunity to fix the situation. Remember, we're all human and we're all here to help each other. I really want to thank everybody for taking the time today and watching this video. We really hope that you learned something.
Should we wipe the snot coming out of our nose?